Please read the manual carefully before installation. Headset and microphone connections. The headset base has two connectors. One is the speaker connector, and the other is the microphone connector. Test the speaker sound quality. Test the speaker effect before installation. The purpose is to achieve sound quality after installation that is as close as possible to the pre-installation test listening. When installing the speakers, position them as close as possible and directly facing the ears, to achieve an effect that is infinitely close to the test listening. Base installation. Select a suitable location on the helmet for installing the headset base. Viewing from the top of the helmet, choose the highest point of the helmet's curvature as a reference for installation. At this position, the headset signal can transmit forward or backward without obstruction, ensuring optimal signal transmission. Viewing from the side, the bottom edge of the headset base should be parallel to the helmet's edge. Before installing the base, clean the installation area thoroughly to remove dust, grease, etc. Pre-bend the plastic backing of the base, so that it fully conforms to the helmet's curvature. Align the base and apply it in one motion, then let it set undisturbed for 24 hours. You can also install the clip on the side of the helmet first. Then attach the base to the clip to complete the installation. The attachment must be completed in one go and left to sit for 24 hours. Headset unit installation and removal. First, insert the left side of the unit diagonally into the left clip on the base. Then press the right side down until it clicks securely into the base. To remove the unit, press the button on the right side of the base. The unit will automatically release. Speaker installation. Locate the designated speaker installation areas on both sides of the helmet. Clean the installation areas thoroughly to remove dust, grease, etc. Attach the hook and loop fastener Velcro for the speaker. If the speaker is too far from the ear, you can add a speaker spacer to raise it. Align the back of the speaker with the fastener and press gently to secure. If the volume feels lower when worn compared to the test listening, reposition the speaker around your ear multiple times for adjustment, until the effect is as close as possible to the test listening. For helmets with significant wind noise, or helmets where the speaker still doesn't fit snugly even with a spacer, it is recommended to purchase the soft leather speaker covers to replace the standard foam covers. This will provide better sound quality. Microphone installation. The unit comes with one flexible boom microphone and one hard-mounted microphone. Attach it approximately 3-4 cm from the mouth. Adjust the position based on squadmate feedback regarding intercom volume. The hard-mounted microphone is suitable for modular, half-shell, or 3/4 helmets. During installation, align the triangular orange marker towards the mouth. Position the microphone approximately 3-4 cm from the mouth. Find a suitable installation location. Clean the area thoroughly to remove dust, grease, etc. Attach the hook and loop fastener Velcro for the hard microphone mount. Install the hard microphone. Connect the microphone and headset connectors. Neatly organize and conceal the wiring. Demonstration completed. Thank you for watching.